Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Whether you are a passionate food blogger or a business owner, understanding the significance of SEO can open up a world of possibilities for you. Imagine having a blog full of delicious ice cream recipes and wondering why it is not ranking on Google. Well, today we will unravel the mysteries of SEO and help you understand why it is crucial for your online success. To embark on our journey into the realm of SEO significance, let's dive right into the intriguing query that often lingers in the minds of many. Why, oh why, is SEO so important? Now, picture this scenario. You are a dedicated food blogger specializing in the exquisite world of ice cream recipes. You have poured your heart and soul into crafting delectable frozen concoctions, sharing your culinary adventures with the digital universe. Yet, as you eagerly type ice cream recipes into the almighty Google search bar, there is a persistent puzzle that vexes you. Why isn't your beloved blog basking in the glorious limelight of Google's top organic rankings? Fret not, for in this enlightening discourse, we shall unveil the myriad factors that conspire to keep your culinary treasures from scaling the lofty peaks of search engine glory. Yes, indeed, there exist several intricate and multifaceted reasons why your cherished ice cream recipes may not have ascended to the SEO summit that you so ardently desire. One significant reason your blog isn't getting the spotlight on Google when folks are on the hunt for ice cream recipes is due to the presence of other ice cream bloggers who have been at this game much longer than you. These experienced bloggers have been churning out content for an extended period, adding more and more posts to their website, which in turn gives Google a hefty inventory of material to evaluate and rank. In essence, they have already established themselves as well-known figures in the world of ice cream blogging. Another important factor that might be holding your blog back from dominating Google search results is the way you handle keywords. Keywords are those magic words or phrases that people type into search engines when they are on the hunt for information, and getting them right can make all the difference. It is crucial to identify the perfect words for your content and use them in a smart and strategic way. Think of keywords as the secret code that helps Google understand what your content is all about. When you choose the right keywords and sprinkle them thoughtfully throughout your blog post, you are essentially giving Google a roadmap to your content. This in turn makes it easier for the search engine to match your blog with the queries of eager readers searching for ice cream recipes or related topics. If your keyword game isn't up to par, it is like trying to navigate without a map. You might be heading in the right direction, but you are likely to get lost in the vast wilderness of the internet. To significantly impact your blog's performance in the competitive SEO arena, your approach to link building is key. This practice involves two vital aspects: internal linking, which seamlessly connects your blog posts within your website, and external linking, where you secure links from high-quality websites back to your blog. Internal linking acts as a digital roadmap, enhancing the user experience and signaling to search engines like Google that your website is well-structured and rich in valuable information, positively influencing your search engine rankings. Conversely, external linking involves earning backlinks from trusted and authoritative websites, serving as digital endorsements that boost your site's authority and rankings. However, it is crucial to pursue these links ethically and organically, as search engines prioritize link quality over quantity. Also, web page load time matters. If your blog post takes forever to load, Google and your users won't be happy. Google wants its user to have a good experience, and so do you. Speaking of user experience, Google values it greatly. It is not just about load time, but also the absence of spam, pop-ups, or intrusive ads. Google wants users to find what they are looking for easily. Lastly, make sure your website is not accidentally excluded from Google's index. You want all your pages to be accessible and visible. In our next video, I will show you how to make your web pages more visible on Google and other search engines. Don't forget to please subscribe so you won't miss out on these helpful tips. I hope this video will be useful for you, and I will see you in the next one.